This is my 2007 Toyota Tundra. I had this truck for about 11-12 years. I just want to show you something that you probably already know, but this is good to know. It's this key right here. This key right here has a security chip in it, and your vehicle won't start if something's wrong with that chip. And I also got another key made just to open my tailgate and to unlock my vehicle, just in case I lock my keys in the vehicle. But let me just show you how to tell if this key is working or not. First, what you want to do, I'm just to get in my vehicle. You want to look here on the dash, and that light will be blinking. As you can see, zoom in, it's going to continue to blink until you put your key in and turn it on, and that light should stop blinking. And if that light do not stop blinking, something's wrong with your security key. So first, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the key in, and you look here on the dash, I'm gonna turn it to on. You're gonna notice that that light should stop blinking. If that light do not stop blinking, something's wrong with the chip in the key. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it. You hear it started. So I'm gonna turn it off and take the key out. And now I'm gonna show you what'll happen if I try to start it with this key without a security chip. I'm gonna go ahead and take this key and I'm gonna put it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And even though I got it turned on, this light should continue to beep or blink because it doesn't recognize the chip. So if I try to start it, watch what happened. See, I got my hand off, and you hear it won't start. It's just like the starter is turning over. Now, if you keep doing that, you probably end up messing your starter up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and put my key in it with the chip. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it on. You're gonna notice it's gonna stop blinking. And I can start it up. So if this light, you get in your vehicle and that light continues to blink when you turn on your truck, and the starter like it's trying to start, but it continues to keep starting over and over again, that means something wrong with your chip in your key. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you.